So we'll, as Gemma said, so we'll go on with a few more introductive slides about the project just before entering directly the website with Stewart, who will present to you how to use it with specific examples. So just a few words, as I said. Just to add more context to this project. So we decided we had a first project, actually first FitNESS project before this one, and the idea was to bring together the best of the current knowledge about food packaging. As all of us, we know that we have to improve fast and efficiently in the field of food packaging. We have many current issues dealing with food packaging, and so that was the starting point of this project. And we try to gather, collecting in Europe in different institutes, as you see on this screen, and to collect the best of our teaching practices, to combine them and to offer them in a platform on which people can use it online. The first one was just before the COVID crisis, so it helped a lot at that time, and now it's also a common habit to use this tool. So what we hope is that it will be really useful, and that we will really welcome also the feedback from users in order to still to improve in the near future this project. And another important thing is that we would like to push for these tools in the future. And as Gemma mentioned, we would like to go on also with this kind of project, and maybe to extend with other partners, and probably worldwide could be also a good idea in order also to match the expectation of the changes in the regulation in all of our countries all around the world in the field of food packaging. For the design of this platform, we started with the fact that food packaging is in the middle of many different knowledge, and it includes, as you might see on this slide, so basics in chemistry, physics, microbiology. It also deals with food science and technology. Processing is also very specific for food packaging. And on the other side, we are also at the heart of many innovations in this field. A lot of social, environmental, and health impact, and with the changes in the regulation in Europe, as we'll see, and all over the world, that means we have really new perspectives to work with also in the present and near future. We designed the FitNESS topic according to 10 main topics from materials, properties, processes, shelf life, also design and transport, innovation, as we just mentioned, environmental safety, circular economy, regulation, and in particular dealing with toxicology, and modeling tools. And so Stewart will show you on the website how this is organized, but we think about all of these topics to be present in the current version of the platform. And another thing is that we have very different people that might use it. And so for each of the content, which might be lecture, which might be other things, we design with novice level, intermediate level, or advanced level, like, for example, for some modeling tools for which we need already a strong background in order to go to use them. And so we try to adapt also to the different public for the use of this platform. And so, as you will soon see, you will have not only, of course, lectures, as teacher, we obviously put some lectures in it, but we try to make them used by anyone without a teacher to be present. So this is how they are designed for the online use. And in addition to that, you have for most of them some quizzes in order to self-evaluate yourself. And we register also a lot of webinars, as the one from today, but we also have some lecture registered. So sometimes you can also click on this link and to have access to also video contents. Guidelines are also very important, and you can also have access to that, and many case studies for which you will have illustrated examples for very practical use also of how you can apply this knowledge to food packaging. So, of course, many thanks for your feedback, for the feedback you might have on this platform, and also many thanks if you would like to also to collaborate in the future to this network, to open these training tools to a more broader audience, as we started to do in that project. And so now we'll stop sharing and leave the floor to Stewart, who will go on with a direct presentation of the platform of the website.